Hello gourmet friend, today a little French delicacy. Okay, we call them langue de chat. It's a cat tongue. The reason is because it looks like a cat tongue. Alright? And they come in different variety. You can have them with chocolate at the end. We call them ladies' fingers. You can have them bent, or you can have them in little basket, like I did the lemon sorbet. Remember the recipe last time? We love them because we can serve them for decoration, for different cakes, a different dessert. And remember, if you like the biscuit, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to support our humble channel. Thank you. Welcome back to the program. Today, an easy recipe, the cat tongue. We call langue de chat. In English, cat tongue. For this recipe, you only need 4 ingredients. The butter, white eggs, flour, and sugar, 4, plus a little bit of vanilla. But for the tools, it's easy. You need a spatula, a piping bag, a grid, and a strainer. That's it. And cooking time 6 to 8 minutes. Alright? So let's go now. Firstly, in a bowl, mix your butter until it becomes soft. I cut my butter in little cubes and leave them on the kitchen bench for 2 hours, and I got some very good result. The butter becomes very soft. Then you add your sugar in a small quantities. Continue to mix well until all the sugar is absorbed. You can then add your vanilla. Mix well and you'll obtain a creamy mixture, and now the sugar should be all dissolved. When you have obtained a creamy mixture, a creamy texture, you can add the sifted flour. The sifted flour are much lighter and airier than unsifted, and it's more easy to mix. Your egg whites are at room temperature. Add a pinch of salt and beat them lightly with a fork. Add them to the mixture in 3 times and mix well until you obtain an homogeneous mixture. Your mixture is ready. Using a 6mm nozzle, fill up your piping bag, then remove the air bubbles. Leave it to set 10 minutes in your fridge. During this time, set up your oven at 190. Also, you can prepare your baking tray with a baking paper. Draw some forms under the baking paper. That will help you getting regular biscuit. Be sure you draw underneath the baking paper, then the biscuit will not be black. You can use your design or download some from the internet. Now easy, with your popping bag, just follow the lines. You can add some crushed hazelnut. Yummy! Now ready to cook between 6 and 8 minutes, depending on the size of your biscuit. As soon as ready, display the first one, the one you want to bend, on a rolling pin. Now remove quickly all the other one and display them on the grid to cool down and stop the cooking. Now let dry the biscuit and let them cool down completely. I show you now how to make the basket in LANGUES mixture. Design a thin plastic mold of 13 centimeters or 5 inches. The thickness should be roughly 2 milliliters maximum. Level the mixture with a well-greased spatula and then remove the mold and make another one. If you got some leftover in your bag, you can make extra biscuit. Now you can cook them in the oven, but at 185 for 5-6 minutes. And as soon they are cooked, transfer them to the back of a mold. Now temper some chocolate and with a cornet of baking paper, do some decoration on the biscuit. Dip the cat tongues in the chocolate to make lady's finger. Let's do some decoration. To see how I made my black swans, click on the link on the top right corner. This is the range of biscuit you can make with the same mixture of LANGUES, the classical cat's tongues, and the famous impressive basket. What will be your best choice? Please enter your answer in the comment section. Number 1, the classic cat's tongue. Number 2, the famous and impressive basket. Number 3, the curved one. Number 4, the lady's finger. And number 5, yo-yo with chocolate cream. Thank you for voting. Dear gourmet friend, if you like this video, give us a like. And please subscribe to support our humble channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.